Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make jackfruit biryani. Here I have raw jackfruit, that is இடிச்சக்க எடுத்து எப்படி பிரியாணி பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்னைக்கு காட்ட போறேன். அதுக்கு தேவையான பொருட்கள் I have 1 cup of boiled raw jackfruit. It is not fully cooked, it's only 70% cooked. And then I have 1 cup of basmati rice which I already kept for soaking. And then I have 1 cup of chickpeas or kabuli channa which I have boiled only 50%. And then I have some whole garam masala. I have taken cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and some javitri and star anise and jeera. And I'm also adding a little bit of garam masala. If you have biryani masala, you can add that too. And I also taken garlic, chopped garlic and ginger, and 2 green chillies, turmeric powder, cashew nut and raisins, salt to taste. Then I have some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, and I have 2 sliced onions. And then I also taken some deshi ghee or homemade ghee, and I'm also be adding little bit of sunflower oil. And then 2 cups of water. So first I'm going to add some sunflower oil and the ghee. Then I'm going to add the garam masala. Chopped ginger garlic. Sliced onions. Fry the onion until it changes the color. I'm going to add some turmeric powder. It's a very healthy biryani. Thing is, jackfruit is very rich in flavonoids and antioxidants. It's rich in vitamin C and fiber, and it's also rich in potassium. So it's very good for people with diabetes and high blood pressure. Next I'm going to add the green chillies. And the rice. Next I'm going to add the cashew nut and raisins. And now I'm going to add the jackfruit. This jackfruit is not fully cooked, it's only 70% cooked. I'll be cooking this again in the rice cooker, so that time it will be perfect. And next I'm going to add the boiled chickpeas or kabuli channa. As you can see, it's a one-pot meal, very healthy and easy. I already added some turmeric powder while boiling the chickpeas and jackfruit. I'm already getting a very nice aroma of the masalas. Next I'm going to add salt. Then again going to fry for some more time. This really helps the rice to be really fluffy, so frying is very important. Next I'm going to add the garam masala. If you have biryani masala or any other masala, you can add. Now my biryani is almost ready to cook. So what next I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this to my electric rice cooker. As you can see, I put the rice item in my rice cooker. So right now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to cook this. If you don't have electric rice cooker, don't worry, you can cook this in kadai or any saucepan. I started cooking now. Now it's almost 30 minutes. My biryani is ready. At this stage I'm going to turn it off. My raw jackfruit biryani is looking great. I'm going to garnish with some fresh cilantro. As you can see, the rice is nicely cooked and it's very fluffy. Even the channa and the jackfruit, the raw jackfruit also is very cooked. So please try this raw jackfruit biryani and share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.